Every spring Japan changes, a soft pink color spreads across the islands. It's Sakura season, cherry blossoms, light and delicate, cover everything. A beautiful mix of pink and white appears. Everyone feels excited. It's a time for new beginnings, a reminder of how beautiful life is. Cherry blossoms are very important in Japanese culture. Their short life teaches us about impermanence, an important idea in Buddhism. This short-lived beauty is treasured. It reminds us to enjoy every moment. Sakura also means hope and a fresh start. They bloom just in time for the new school and work year. Hanami, which means flower viewing, is a favorite Japanese tradition. People get together under the blossoms. They enjoy food, drinks, and good times with family and friends. It's a time to connect with each other. The short-lived beauty of Sakura makes us think. It's a chance to enjoy the simple things in life. Tokyo, a busy city, changes completely during Sakura season. Parks and gardens become peaceful places. Ueno Park, with its thousands of cherry trees, is a great place to visit. Walking along the Meguro River with cherry blossoms on both sides is magical. Even in the busy city, Sakura brings a feeling of calm. Kyoto, the old capital city, looks even more beautiful during Sakura season. Temples and shrines look amazing with the blossoms. The Philosopher's Path, a canal lined with cherry trees, is a peaceful place to walk. In Arashiyama, riding through the bamboo grove with blossoms overhead is something you'll never forget. Osaka, a bright and modern city, celebrates Sakura in its own special way. Osaka Castle, lit up at night with cherry blossoms behind it, is amazing. The Expo 70 Commemorative Park is a modern place to enjoy the flowers. Osaka mixes old traditions and new ideas perfectly. Sakura season is a treat for all your senses. The light pink and white colors are beautiful to see. A gentle wind carries the sweet smell of the blossoms. The soft sound of petals falling is like a whisper. It's an amazing experience that touches your heart. Sakura's beauty doesn't last long, but it stays with you. It teaches us that life is short. It reminds us that things always change. Like the cherry blossom, we should shine brightly while we can. Sakura season ends as quickly as it begins. The petals fall, covering the ground in pink. It's a little sad to see them go, but we remember how beautiful they were. It reminds us to enjoy today and find happiness in life's little moments. See you next spring, Sakura.